My name is Aarohi and there's a change in me. I'm not 6 anymore, I'm 7. So I had my birthday right yesterday, so I got a gift from my dad and it's a makeup kit. So I'm gonna make a video on this and I'll start it now. Over here I got lipstick and some nail polish, and then I got some gloss, and then I got eyeshadow which is sparkly, and then I got brushes and a comb, and then I got a squishy, and I got blush. I could open this now. This has a mirror and it has something. It's like something what you put on your face with a thing that you put with it, like cheek on your cheeks. And then I got a comb which also has a mirror. This is a pretty cool comb. And then you do that, you comb your hair. And then I'm not going to hold this mirror. And now I also got a toe separator. I got a toe separator and a nail filer. That. And then I have 2 more things. I have eyeshadow which is not sparkly. And finally, I have another blush, which is a little bit lighter. And next, all I have is another bag. Now I'm gonna do some makeup. Now I'm going to open the unicorn, and it has a mirror inside with the blush. It's something. And first, I'll do the makeup. So I got this really soft thing which you put over here. I just put it on my cheeks. I look great now. Now I'm gonna add, I'm gonna first add gloss. I'm gonna add the pink one. Let's see what this is. It's on your lips. I'm done with the gloss. Now I'm gonna add the eyeshadow. I don't want any glitter to go in my eyes, so I'm just gonna use the non-sparkly one. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna pick what to look good. I think I'm gonna pick some purple eyeshadow. I'm done with the eyeshadow and I really like how I look. Now I can see that I'm finally ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.